I've looked at them in more detail.
So, 88 pounds and others.
Okay, welcome to American Dream Garage. I'm going to do a follow-up segment, probably the fourth or fifth, on my BMW E9 3.0 CS. We're focusing now on the interior, and yesterday we installed a new set of carpet. Which was ordered from World. So it's a German loop. Looks pretty nice. So then we have to look and see at the rest of the interior, looking aside from the dirt. So first, looking at the dash and the glove box. The dash is in really good shape. The wood has been refinished. Not in a glossy, but kind of a matte finish. Then the areas that I have some concern about are the console, which has some scars on it, here and here and here, and at the top. So again, far from perfect. The door panels are in good shape, although like a lot of things, all the clips are gone, but the panels themselves are solid and rigid, not bent or destroyed at all. So coming over to the rest of the interior panels, you see things that I see a lot on interiors. So pieces that are broken off and are missing. This looks like, this one in particular looks like it was redone by someone in the past, not quite BMW standard. The backing is broken, which I don't like. This one has a section that's broken. But most of it's fairly solid. Same thing, looks like it's been redone at some point in time. Then these are going to be purchased rear quarter interior, also damaged. These I know are, this looks like it might have been factory original. These hard pieces I know for the rears you can get, as well as these sections. So the other one, very similar, broken in sections, just dirty and old. So we'll look at the cost of those. I think the exterior will clean up pretty well. Maybe it's just the backing. And then you get into, so inside, and I found this piece the other day, is the base of the console where the shifter is. And just, I don't know if this brushed aluminum can be cleaned up at all. It's got a couple scars on it. So I know that this can be purchased for about $300 or $400, just like this, without the switches. Then these various, this is the access door for the hood, metal backing, so that can be fixed. The question is whether or not you want to try to refinish the black vinyl or just clean it up. I'm sorry, that's the under the steering wheel. This is the door to access the hood. So it's got a scar. solid. I don't like the nature of that. Maybe that can be uplifted, or maybe that can be improved. So those are the key pieces. So if we look back to the car with the dash, the glove box all being good, I've got the seats. Let's take a walk upstairs. Let's take a look at it. So this has all been redone, and it was done professionally. So these are fine. So these are the rear armrests with the power window switch. You can see it's the original wood, was redone. Here's the center armrest, also all original wood but redone, and nice match for the leather. I'm fine with that. Here's the other side. So those obviously will clean up. Then as we look at, I'm not exactly sure where that goes. Here's the rear seats. And this is where I have some questions. Maybe some of you can comment. I think these cars originally had more of a puff or a rounded in here, where this is the right material and pattern, but it doesn't have the foam behind it to really give it the right look of the original seat. Very similar to the other front seats. You can see redone in leather, redone most likely with the same pattern, as well as probably purchased for the car, but yet still doesn't have the same look that I think the original cars had. But the question is, can I live with that? I think we'll probably see when we get the car back together. Most likely I will be able to. So anyway, that's an update. If anybody has any comments about anything they've seen, or suggestions on parts or places to get things or changes to make to any of these parts, please let me know. Stay tuned.